Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I will show you how you can fix call recording not working on iPhone iOS 18.1. To record calls on your iPhone, you first need to update your device to iOS 18.1 or later. Open up Settings, then tap on General, then Software Update. Here, make sure that your device is updated to at least iOS 18.1 or newer. If you see that you are still on iOS 18 or lower, the call recording feature will not be available for you. Once your iPhone is updated, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll through the list to find the Phone app. Once you find it, tap on it. Next, tap on the call recording option. Then enable the toggle at the top. On the call screen, you will see a tiny icon in the top left corner. To enable call recording, just tap on it. And you will see a message indicating that call recording has started. The other person will hear a message saying that the call will be recorded. After the call is recorded, you will see a notification from the Note app. Tap on it. You can listen to the recording. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.